Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Review into Huck's World. Today we got another freebie for you guys to check out. Very unique, very different. Now, the name of the watch face is Double D14 Satin. It's a 24-hour, 12-hour watch face, so you get the best of both worlds in one because this is also an analog/digital watch face as well. Now, in the AOD mode, you will get the same exact design, same exact look. And when the watch face is on, it's not bad at all. If you look at the background, you can see animation going on within the watch face. It's not going to burn that much battery, so you should not worry at all. You get nice fun analog hands, a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch, and you also get a floating second hand that's cruising around as well. I thought this was really nice. Up at the top, you're going to get your date. You will get your 24-hour time, your hour, your minute. Again, your step information for those of you all who want to keep up with your steps. And right here, that's going to represent your floors climb. And this is going to represent your heart rate information. Now, if I tap on the 8, I can pull up my calendar. If I tap right here, I can go into, of course, my step information, floors climb, steps, calories burned, sleep info, stress. If I tap over here, I can get my battery info. So I thought it was a good look for a free watch face. Not bad at all. But if I double tap, I can change the color theme of the watch face. Not bad. Not bad at all. What do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if it's a download, or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have the greatest day ever. Enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you all at the next one. But don't forget, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.